Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use Chai AI on website. So if you go to your any browser, just like I'm using Google Chrome for this video, and you open up chai.com, it will show you its roadmap. So if you just press on the roadmap, it will show you how it's gonna work, and it's basically on mobile phones right now. But if you scroll down a bit, you'll see the option of three options, just like iOS, Android, and then Chai Web. But if you see the option of Chai Web, it says coming soon, because it's not released on web yet, because the developers are creating it and it will look something like this. So you need to wait for a while for Chai Web to come to your web. Other than that, it's not on your web, and you cannot actually use it. If you see any Chai website usable or something like that, it's gonna be something scam or something like that. So don't go for that. Just wait for the official to get ready. It's coming soon. It might be done in a month or so. So you just need to wait for that, and then yeah, you're good to go. It will be pretty easy. So yeah, you just need to wait for now because it's on coming soon. So I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.